Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 2-Minute Lessons. Do you agree that the living world is so wonderful, diverse and mysterious? I use the term living. What does it mean? Plants, animals and humans, microbes are living. What do they require to live? Yes, they need to breathe. Remember, I spoke about nutrition as a major life process in lesson 1. In this segment, let me take you through another important life process. We are alive because we breathe. Well, what about plants? Do they breathe? Is it the same as human breathing? How does this process occur in living organism? Let's learn the basics of another very important life process called respiration. The key areas listed I will deal with them. Simply put, respiration is the action of breathing. Do plants breathe? That was my previous question too. Yes, of course. Respiration is a metabolic or biochemical process that occurs in all living organisms, be it the single-celled organism like amoeba or a multicellular organism like the neem tree or even human beings. Energy is released when glucose splits up, and this is used for various metabolic activities. Yes, in lesson 1, I spoke about photosynthesis. So the end products of photosynthesis are carbohydrate, sugar or glucose. Most importantly, oxygen is released, that is utilized for respiration. Respiration occurs in every living cell, so it is called cellular respiration. What happens is oxygen from the atmosphere enters the plants through small openings or apertures in the underside of the leaves called stomata. After a series of reactions, carbon dioxide is released. Again, this carbon dioxide is used for photosynthesis. Now, plants respire in 2 ways or methods, and the energy is released in both the methods. The first one is called aerobic respiration that takes place in the presence of oxygen. The second is called anaerobic respiration that takes place in the absence of oxygen. The equations will help you note the presence and absence of oxygen in the 2 types of respiration that occur in plants. More about the mechanism of this respiration in another lesson. Human respiratory system is a network of organs and tissues that help us breathe. A pair of lungs, muscles and blood vessels help in respiration. The primary function of the system is to introduce oxygen into the body and expel carbon dioxide from the body. 4 phases of human respiration. First is ventilation, which is the movement of air into and out of the lungs. This involves 2 substages: inspiration, breathing in; expiration, breathing out. The second phase is external respiration, the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between air and the blood in the lungs. The third phase is circulation. This involves transportation of dissolved gases by the blood to and from the body cells. And the fourth phase is internal respiration, where exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between blood and the body cells take place. So these are the 4 phases in human respiration. Respiration is an important life process in plants and animals. More about the mechanism of respiration in another lesson. Let me leave you with a question. What is the life process in living organisms that ensures perpetuation of the race? Thank you for watching. Meet you in my next.